Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this metal detector, the model type 34, the red. The brand is PalliPartners and it has 5 different modes. It has an all metal mode, has disc mode, memory mode, jewelry mode, pinpoint mode. I've been planning to use that at the beach, but unfortunately the weather is so bad, very windy, stormy, cold temperatures, very unpleasant. But I still wanted to try it out and see how this works, to be prepared. So let's open, see what we get. Comes with a detailed instructions manual. By the way, the manual is just in English. I'm going to show you the most important parts pretty quickly. I think it could be really interesting to see what we can do because it has a lot of functions. Of course it works already really nicely when we just turn it on, but you can highly optimize the search results when you adjust everything as described here. But of course I'm going to show and explain most of the functions and features here anyway. Comes with this very solid transportation and carry bag. Really nice protection, especially for the sensitive parts. Even with a screen protector. Comes in with this belt pocket. We get even really nice shuffle, solid metal with a handle with nice grip. So we can just screw this inside and then we can secure it here at the front. Pretty stable, would say. So we can use this side to dig down and then this side to remove the dirt or sand. Comes even with these headphones. And then this part here to secure it along your arm around the elbow extension pole. And the part which you hold like that with a nice grip. And we get also the 2 batteries which are needed. And then here the waterproof surge coil. And so of course we need to prepare the central device. So we have to open the battery compartments. Also this one here. Insert the 2 9-volt batteries. Let's see how this works. Good thing there is enough space. And so we close this nicely again. Let's see also on the other side. Yeah, very solid connection here. One of the best connections I've ever seen for a 9-volt battery. Also this here, watch this thing, how easy you can add this here. So you don't have to be worried about the cables. And also we cover this one. So on the right side we have the on, off and the volume combined. Of course now we would have to add these parts to the handlebar, but I guess it's not too difficult. You can see we have this thing here, really solid construction in the front. And then we have this extension function here. And so this is how the extension part works. We have this separate pole here compared to this one, but we still have to release it in the back. So we push here and we pull here in the front at the same time. You can see I'm pushing down here and now I can pull this out step by step. Or actually the easiest thing is to push it down and then twist it a little bit and then it's very easy to pull it out. Of course it can also be too much, so we have to push it inside again. You can see, just push it inside and then we have the full length. And then we can add this part here in the back and this part also here. And after this snaps in, we can even secure it additionally here. Really good construction, no screws needed. And so we connect the surge coil here with the central part. Just align it properly with the pins and the notch. And then push it fully inside. We get confirmation already when it's turned on. And then we have different functions to include or exclude some items. For example, I have this ring here. And so we can use this menu. And so we press till we see this disc icon flashing. And that means discrimination mode. Now we can see it includes everything. So when we hover on top, it is detecting that. We can make this even louder. So you can hear that very nice and clear that it has detected something. And so we can exclude some of these items when we are increasing this level here. For example, you can see first this thing is removed, second thing this one here, third thing this. The higher we go, the more items are excluded. So you can see we are now only detecting these 2 items. And so when we hover on top of the ring again, it won't detect this. That's pretty cool. So you can easily focus on higher value items. But we do not only have this menu. When we push again, the notch function is lighting up. And so we can switch between these two items. You can see there's the cursor here flashing above, and when we hit the notch button, it will remove this part here. We go to the next item, we remove this again, go to this one, remove, so we can exclude single items. And so same thing here, when we hover on top of it, nothing will happen because it was something in this area, because it's stainless steel. We do not want to target this thing. And when we go back, we can add these items again. You can see we add them again. And so when we hover on top, now with everything added again, it would detect these things. There's also a light setting. We just press the menu until we see the light flashing, and then we can increase the brightness here. If we need that during the night or also during the day, can help to see the display better. Or you can even turn it off. Of course, you can also just work with the different sensitivities. Now we are at sensitivity, so we can increase, you can see that on the right side, or decrease the sensitivity alone. And we have even a pinpointing function. So you can see again with this ring, when we hover on it, we just get this signal, but we really don't know where this thing is. If this is buried down in the ground, we have no idea. So we can use this pinpoint function. And for that, we have to hold the pinpoint function. We have to keep it pushed. And so we can see we are at the outside only. Now going into the center, we have full signal. Also here going back to the outside. Also here going outside, going back to the center again, outside. So we can very easily center this location here. Then we go back here with the menu to the normal menu. We know where we have to dig down. So definitely very sophisticated device. A lot of options. I would also say solid build, not too difficult to use. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.